Hey, hello. You've never seen me before, I've never seen you before, but okay, just listen to me. I would like to tell you the problems I think the Insurgency Sandstorm has in comparison with previous games, and the problems with the direction in the game. First, skins. They are god awful. To be honest, I don't think that in a Milsim game there should be these atrocious skins like when they tried to pass this Chinese Lunar New Year, or the first ones, the blue and red one. The guns look like toy gun and it ruins the experience. You cannot disable them, you still see them on the other players, and it ruins the immersion, which is really important in the Milsim game. The skeletal mask, the fucking ninja full black suit, the ghillie suit which gives you an advantage. Really, it's... the NVI shouldn't allow this type of stuff. Second, kill cam. We're playing the Milsim. Of course it's a mix of an arcade, hardcore Milsim, but kill cam is a step too big towards the arcadey stuff. It ruins the purpose of a marksman, sniper, and a machine gunner, because each time you kill someone, they now see with total accuracy where you are and where you shot them from. And it kills the drive, motivation to find new spots and be clever about it. It's dumbing down the player, and especially the new players. Then, co-op. Awful spawns of bots. They spawn in packs, 2 to 5. They have same animation there in sync, and they just run around in this tight little packs, which ruins the immersion highly. We shouldn't have to deal with this stuff. They gotta just fix them. In Source, they got it right. Bots would spread out, they would like follow you, but not too close. Then, useless technicals. The maps were formed around the idea that players would use their vehicles to support them, capturing the points and stuff, but vehicles just being destroyed with one hit of an RPG, and there's no reason to use them, you will just die faster. If we would up-armor the vehicles, it would be a great clearing tool with its high-caliber machine gun to breach the enemy defenses. And I think it's a great loss that we don't have this. Loss of asymmetry. It's just gun. In Source we had like each gun was special, and on the other team it didn't have a counterpart. For example, like RPK. High caliber, low capacity, good for penetrating walls. M249, high capacity, low caliber, good for sustainable fire. That was it for each gun. They were unique, but in Sandstorm we have only remains of what was like free Makarov, for example, or some kind of gear. Each time the new gun is being added, it has its counterpart on the other team. It's dumbing down the game. These are the problems I see with Insurgency Sandstorm and direction it takes.